This is a video of me trying to replace use the also 0.6 nozzle on the FLASHFORGE 5M Pro. As you can see, this is being put into place as intended. Sturdily in place. Aligning this back. Okay, everything is in place. Snugly fit. Changing nozzle to 0.6. Loading. Then you will see temperature's not rising. No wiggle, nothing, doesn't help. I did a PID calibration. I will cancel this. We will load the 0.8. This is done. Again, removing. These are removing this. I will lose the 0.4 because the 0.8 has some filament inside it. This is the 0.4. All the filament, all the nozzles. Again, it's snugly. Latches are locked. It's not moving. Closing the lid. Changing to 0.4. Loading the material. You will see this will hit up in a minute. There you go, 44.50. This is regular. This is what we all know it should happen. Canceling. Let's do the 0.8 now, just to show the other nozzles are working just as fine. Again, putting the nozzle into its place. Latch is open. Snaps into place. Cover is into place. Nozzles change to 0.8. Load. Heating up. So we need to find, please, I'd like to find a solution for this. Replacement, refund, no matter.
I figured I'd do a review here on this FLASHFORGE Adventure 5M Pro, just because it absolutely deserves one. Here we have Orca Slicer. I'm running the Beta 2.20. Been great, no issues. All your basically files or configurations are already here. You just select the printer. As far as the printing time that it gives you, it's completely accurate. I have printed several things here. I made this coaster in the burnt titanium. This was the first benchy ever made with a VoxLab Aquila X2. And as you can see, there's quite a bit of layer lines there, a couple gaps. It isn't the best, but it was the best print I got out of that printer. And this is the Adventure 5M Pro. And oh my god, there's no visible layer lines. It's unreal. I've made RC parts. I've just put this printer through everything in the past few days. Probably close to 20 hours of printing. Currently, I am printing some IKEA lac table supports. And this thing is awesome, man. I'm running the Creality Drybox V2. I run only PETG. And as you can kind of hear, it's a little noisy under the enclosure, but everything's fine. I run the filtration on. It's been great. This printer's been amazing. The only thing I did was I put some tape over this panel here. I noticed the PTFE was kind of rubbing on it, and I didn't want to put a groove, but ended up shortening up the PTFE about 1.5 inches, and no issues anymore. So I'll be removing that tape. Bed adhesion has been great. Software has been even better. Touchscreen is on another level. Even the FlashMaker app, I haven't had a problem with it. It seems that every issue that everybody had about a few months ago has been addressed, and this thing has been amazing. I highly recommend this printer. It is the best printer I have ever had, seen, or anything in between. I can probably get you close here. You can see how good these prints are turning out. Nothing, not a single bit of stringing. I haven't had to glue the build plate. Nothing. This thing has been great out of the box. It is the first printer I can click start, go to work, and when I get home my prints are done. I don't have to keep looking at it. So if you're looking at buying one of these, just buy it, man. It is great.
I don't think the salad is good anymore, babe.
It hasn't even been 30 days. And this last week, the printer has been starting to make a couple different noises. This is one of them. It definitely does not sound good, and it was not making that noise before. Not good.
I like it.
Once it's done doing that, you can just grab this.
.1%.